Welcome to my video. So today I'll be teaching you how to draw ice cream in a very simple way. So first of all, I try to make angles, to draw angles. The first one is a triangle, a short small triangle, then a longer triangle underneath. Then on the first triangle, I try to create my eyes shape, that is in a 3-step way. Then I further by drawing the other longer triangle. Okay, this longer triangle is the biscuit for the ice, of which we call the ice cream. So then I further by adding my eyes in layers. So by doing this, it makes my work to look just like the ice cream, So to make my own ice cream to look fancy and to look interesting, I try to create this cobweb-like shape on my biscuit. Then I shaded it in a chessboard way. By shading it in this shadeboard pattern, it brings out the beauty of the ice cream. So, which I know you can also do this in your own ice cream too, whenever you are asked to do it, just to add a beauty to your work. Then after that, I try to add little shading to my eyes, to make my eyes to also look interesting. And if you do this, I know you will also get the same result or even a better result than my own. So with this, I know you've learned how to draw ice cream in a simple way. See you in the next video.